Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's make broccoli fritters today. Even children love these pancakes. Did you know that broccoli is a very healthy vegetable, rich in vitamins, especially C and K, minerals, potassium, iron, calcium, and antioxidants such as sulforaphane, which have anti-cancer properties. It's a low-calorie, high-fiber food that promotes cardiovascular health and digestion. Broccoli also contains vision-promoting nutrients such as lutein and zeaxanthin. I took 500 grams of fresh broccoli and chopped it very finely. You can puree it in a blender, but I prefer a more irregular texture. How often do you eat broccoli? Let me know in the comments. Two chicken eggs. Add a teaspoon of salt to the chopped broccoli. A teaspoon of baking powder. 120 to 150 grams of flour. I use oat flour. You can add your favorite spices. Mix everything thoroughly. Add a little oil to the frying pan and spoon the pancakes into the pan. The size depends on your preference. I prefer larger pancakes. I recommend frying at a low temperature to prevent the pancakes from burning. Fry for 4 minutes on each side, covering with a lid first. This will ensure the pancakes are cooked through in the middle. Our pancakes are ready. Serve them with any of your favorite sauces. I love Greek yogurt with herbs. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel for more quick and healthy recipes.